Ever wondered what it takes to manage the smooth functioning of an airport or an airline? If you're fascinated by aviation and want to take the first step toward a career in this dynamic field, a BBA in airline and airport management could be your choice. This program isn't just a degree, it's your ticket to one of the most rewarding and fast-growing industries in the world. Why do you want a BBA in airline and airport management? Aviation industry is booming. Did you know? The global air passenger traffic is slated to touch 8.2 billion annually by 2036. In India, the same sector is bound to generate jobs for 100 million people alone by 2035, with that word being spoken by IATA. A BBA in airline and airport management is a specialized course that equips you with the skills to excel in airport operations, airline management, and logistics. Course highlights and curriculum. The BBA program is typically a 3-year undergraduate course designed to give you a strong foundation in airport management. Learn about terminal operations, safety, and passenger handling. Airline operations, dive into ticketing, cargo management, and scheduling. Logistics and supply chain management, learn to optimize operations. Aviation law and safety, get updated with international regulations on aviation. The program is full of hands-on experience through internships, project and workshop training at the world's top airlines. Career prospects. A BBA in airline and airport management offers challenging careers in airport manager. Be responsible for the day-to-day activities of an airport, with a starting salary averaging at 4,50,000 rupees annually. Airline revenue manager. Develop pricing strategies and receive up to 6 lakhs rupee per year. Ground staff supervisor. Be in charge of ground operations with a package of 3 lakhs rupee per annum. Aviation safety officer. Secure travelers' safety with salaries beginning at 5 lakhs rupees annually. Graduates of a BBA in airline and airport management can land exciting roles with top recruiters like Indigo, Air India, SpiceJet, Vistara, and AirAsia. From airport operations to airline management and customer service, these opportunities come with starting salaries between 3 lakhs rupees and 6 lakhs rupee per annum. With excellent placement support from top colleges, your aviation career is ready to take off. And that's the most exciting part. India boasts 91 operational airports, while its government is planning to construct another 100 by 2040. It calls for a humongous demand for skilled hands. Eligibility and admission process. The eligibility criteria are pretty simple. You should have passed 10+2 in any stream with a minimum of 50% marks. Admissions are mostly merit-based or require entrance tests such as QET or institute-level entrances. Scholarships are even offered to the merit-oriented and economically weaker sections of students to alleviate financial burdens. Best colleges in India for BBA in airline and airport management. Here are the top colleges in India offering this course. Indira Gandhi Institute of Aeronautics, Chandigarh. Hindustan Aviation Academy, Bangalore. Aptic Aviation Academy. Skybird Aviation, Hyderabad. These colleges offer industry-aligned curriculums, state-of-the-art facilities, and strong placement support. Why now is the best time to join aviation? The aviation industry is soaring to new heights, with countless opportunities for ambitious individuals like you. Pursuing a BBA in airline and airport management is not just about earning a degree, it's about stepping into a career with immense growth potential, international exposure, and competitive pay. So, no more waiting. Visit Sulekha.com to know all the top colleges, compare their fees, go through reviews, and start your flying career today. Your dream career in the air is just one click away. Click the link in the description to get started.